What up, nerds? I'm Jay Sharif. Welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesdays. Today, I'm talking about compact camera bags for vlogging. Now, in a previous episode, I bought myself a pretty decent camera bag for my mirrorless cameras. It's a great bag and I've used it a lot. However, a few weeks ago, I went on holiday with the kids, and obviously, I made a video about it, which will be coming out soon. Anyway, as this was basically a holiday for the kids at a theme park next to a beach, I didn't really want to carry a heavy camera or lots of equipment. Also, while this isn't a big bag, there's absolutely no chance they let me take this bag with me onto the rides. Besides, I don't want to risk my nice mirrorless cameras on water slides and roller coasters. So, the obvious solution was to take my DJI Osmo Action and a few spare batteries. And this is what I used to carry them around. This PGYTech bag you may recognise from an old episode. I bought this to carry my gimbals, but it turned out that the stabilisation on my DJI Action was so good that I actually returned every gimbal that I bought. I kept this bag though, and it was okay, but in all honesty, it wasn't big enough. The DJI Action and the batteries and my mini tripod fit just fine, but that was the limit. It has no room for a microphone, it has no room for my smartphone, and it has no room for my sunglasses. By the way, I've bought some new sunglasses. These have just arrived. My old prescription sunglasses are pretty good, but I always thought they didn't fit properly. They just feel a bit too small, so I ordered this new pair. They're very similar, but slightly bigger. However, the lenses are mirrored, which means that if I wear them while filming, you'll see all of my camera stuff in the reflection. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Anyway, I decided to buy a new camera bag for my travels. So the search began. I looked all over eBay and Amazon. I spent weeks trying to find exactly what I needed, which was basically something in between this and this. And I think I found it. Let's open it up. Now, what I really liked about this PGYTech bag was that you could wear it cross-body. And with this new bag, I could do that too. Also, it has these side pockets for drinks bottles. But I thought I could use one of them for my mini tripod, like so. It also has this pouch on the strap, which is perfect for keeping my sunglasses. Alternatively, I could use it to store my smartphone, but that seems kind of risky because keeping your smartphone here hanging behind you is basically inviting thieves to steal it. So I'm going to keep my phone safely inside the bag on the front side. By the way, the bag is waterproof, which isn't particularly important for my rugged action camera or my rugged smartphone, but it does matter if I'm carrying a microphone or my batteries, because if those get wet, then that could be an expensive problem. Anyway, there's more than enough room in here for vlogging accessories like this small light, for example, or some ND filters, or even a spare action camera. And if I'm on my travels, then there's handy sections for keeping my passport and credit cards too, as well as my supply of hand sanitizer and antibacterial wipes. So, would I recommend this bag? Yes, I would. I really like it. And if you want one, there's a link in the description. Right now, Amazon are giving people a 15% discount, which is a little bit annoying because I paid full price. Anyway, that's all for today. I'll be back with another video very soon. Later, nerds.